Hi beauty, so today I will show you green and golden half cut crease evening eyeshadow makeup look. So I will start with Mislin True Color eyeshadow base. I'll fix it with Essence Compact Powder. With a big fluffy brush. Fixing is very important so that your eyeshadow will not smudge. After making a base of my eyes, I leave it for 5 minutes to settle and then I start my makeup. So now I will fill my brows. I have thick dark brows so I don't have to fill it too much. I just fill it from the inner sides, from these sides. Otherwise my eyebrows have good shape and there are no gaps to fill. I'm using Benefit Goof Proof eyebrow pencil in shade number 3. This is a brown shade. So as my eyes are done and they're ready for the makeup, so I will use H&M single eyeshadow in Blushing Beauty as transition shade. It is a peachy pink eyeshadow. For green and blue eyeshadow looks, pink transition shade looks very fresh and very lively. It's a flat fluffy brush. So blend properly. So next I will use the shade Pure from Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. This is a very nice shade, very blendable. Now I will create half cut crease with L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in shade 015. Don't go too high, just follow your original crease. So now I will fix it with the same Essence Compact, Mattifying Compact. This one in the pastel beige. The shade is pastel beige. Now the cut crease is fixed. Now I will use Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art and use this shade as a base for the green eyeshadow. Cover your half lid with this green shadow. You have to be very careful. It's a liquid eyeshadow, so it will dry. It will take time in drying. I think 5 to 10 minutes. You can see some on this side. Now as you can see, that liquid eyeshadow is dry. So now I will use this Body Shop single eyeshadow in the shade Caramel Jade. I will pat it on the liquid eyeshadow. You can see the difference. So that has created a very beautiful peacock green color. Now I will use this shade Shield from Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. This one. So now you can see it's blended. Now on the outer corners, I will use Natasha Denona Enigma shade. This is Enigma shade from the palette. So with this flat brush, I will apply Enigma shade. Just line your crease, 2/3 of your crease with the shade. It's a very beautiful metallic look. So now on the brow bone, for the brow bone, I will use the shade Queen. It's a beautiful champagne shade, metallic eyeshadow. So now on the lower lash line, I will use Enigma on the outer corners. Okay, now other this next, the small brush. Okay, this brush. I will use this small brush, small flat brush. Up till here. Mm. Now towards the inner corner, I will use the shade Orium, Orium from the palette. Shade I used here. And then the Queen on the tip. Now I will show you two liners. On one eye, I will show you green eyeliner, and on the other, I will use black eyeliner. So you decide which one looks better. This eye, I have used Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner, and on this eye, I have used Miss Lynn Color Effect eyeliner in metallic green. So I have used these two eyeliners. So you decide which one looks better. Mascara, I am using Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in 10 Noir. I will remove this. Now I will use the same mascara on lower lash. So take a closer look.